So I'm going to ask you about your website. You mentioned that you spent some money on it, and we're in the same boat. I spent a ton of money trying to get it searchable. I'm assuming that you did the same thing because the social media is the only thing driving traffic to my website. So is that what you're doing with that, or
Yeah, so
what's going on?
when I first started my business, what, almost 4 years ago, I did one of those template websites, and it's worked great. I mean, I think it looks pretty good for it being something that I built. But yeah, now it's, getting the right people to do the back end, um, and it's funny because like they keep sending me the revisions, and I'm like, can't you just do the back end on mine, because I actually really like what my website looks like. And
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
it's really hard because I don't think you're doing it, but we've gone through so many revisions and stuff, and it's getting there. But yeah, it's been, and I'm, I yeah, it was a lot of money, so I hope it I hope
Amen.
it works.
Amen, sister. I know. I feel your pain.
It's those little things where I'm like, okay, now I gotta maybe get some better pictures, and I need to get a better website, and I think, a new camera, and do I need one of those little microphones that you guys have? Like, it's just like there's so many things that you have to, like, once you want to get to a new level, you kind of just, you have to invest in yourself. And